Hi, this is Zach Meir from Zach's Traders Cafe with a look at some single stocks on Tuesday, the 6th of September. Starting off with Acacia Mining, and we've got a decent rebound over the last couple of sessions off the floor of this rising June trend channel. Floor of the channel nominally towards the 446 level and up to 450 at the moment. Situation is that as little as an end of day close back above the 10-day moving average of 513 pence should take the shares back up for a retest of the best levels of the year to date, just above the 600 pence level. Time frame on the move the next 3 to 4 weeks or even sooner. Next stock up is British Aerospace, or BAE Systems rather. Here we've had a decent gap to the upside at the end of last month, and a good U-shaped or saucer-shaped reversal here through previous resistance. That was around the 545 pence level, and really while we're above that, looking for significant gains for the defence contractor, ideally going up towards the top of a rising trend channel that you can draw from as long ago as May. The top of that channel heading towards the 600 pence zone, and that could be achieved as soon as the end of this month. Stop loss on the buy argument at the moment, an end of day close back below the 10-day moving average. That's at 537. So relatively good risk reward on this situation. Another sector member here with Cobham, and here we've got a decent extended rebound off the floor of this, or rather off the 50-day moving average at £1.62. That gives us a target of 200 pence at the 185 pence at the 200-day moving average. After that, we've got a target towards the 200 pence level, which is the top of a rising June trend channel. End of day close back below 160, probably the best stop loss on that particular bullish setup. Switching sectors now, and we're up to or on to Highland Gold Mining. Here there's been a rebound off what looks like a decent uptrend line there from April. That's running towards the 110 level, and really back above the old 115, rather 116 intraday support of August. We're looking for a retest of the best levels of the year through the £1.40 level. Best case scenario over the next couple of months is back up to £1.60, which is a July resistance line projection. Imagination Technologies was in the news some time ago as a potential takeover situation, and other aspects also interesting as far as the management of the company was concerned. But current situation is we've got rising trend channel heading towards the 270, 280 level. That can be drawn from as long ago as February, and really while we're above the 10-day average at 225, a target of 270 or even 280 could be seen by the end of next month, as we have this breakout through the 200-day moving average from the beginning of July. On to the mining sector, and Lonmin is next. Here we've had obviously the typical recovery seen in the sector since the beginning of the year, starting to fade a little bit at the moment, or fading a little bit currently, but still looks like there's an uptrend line there from the beginning of the year that could take the shares up to 270, 280. The top of that rising January trend channel. If you're cautious on the bull argument, maybe you'd wait for a recovery of the 50-day moving average at 220 before targeting as high as 280. Finishing off with the with Randgold Resources, another mining situation here. Quite a sharp pullback from the best levels of the year, seen in early July towards the £100 level. Current situation, we've got support here from a May uptrend line running towards the 70 level, and really while we're holding above that, the idea is that the shares could head back towards the 50-day moving average 85.15 over the next 4 to 6 weeks. Only a weekly close really well back below £70, delaying the upside scenario. That's it from me. More updates at the same time tomorrow.